But again, I'm not gonna go.
You can hear that inconsistency.
You hear it, but it's not too much. So I don't want to over-analyze. Just looking for it. Number 3 misfire on cylinder number 3. For cylinder number 2, test value is 0. Now let's see what is misfire for number 3 gonna say. 12,000 count of the misfire on 0. Nothing.
No, on this one.
So this is...
Shit ain't misfire no more. Look at that. That's beautiful. God, look at that line. Look at that line.